Alright, so, Cos, Outlandish, what do you think of the show last night?
I mean, Sammy was okay. Sound of Reason.
Ooh.
It's all about the sound of reason.
Dangerous.
When these guys were doing Palestine, I mean, I had goosebumps. And my son was like, what's this song? And this morning, actually, he wanted to hear it. So I just put it on and it was on repeat Palestine. I guess I downloaded the album. I didn't buy it. I don't buy albums. I
This is how he does it, right?
No, but it's
about these guys. This is Sound of Reason. It's Outlandish last night. This is these guys.
See the humble
These guys. It's these guys.
Sound of Reason.
Lenny, get in here, man.
¿Qué pasa, loco? Sound of Reason, Outlandish, London.
Yeah, that's it.
Signing off.
Peace out.
Oh, there he is. Oh, just in time, nick of time. So Lenny, what did you think of the show last night, buddy?
Yeah, man, it was like the greatest thing ever, man. I'm in here too. Sound of Reason, man.
Right on, buddy. Oh. Alright, boys.
I'm Outlandish, you know.
Oh, yeah.
We're making a new group.
Yeah?
Sound of Outlandish.
Out of Reason. Alright. Alright, boys. Signing off. UK, Sound of Reason. Outlandish. Peace, guys.